module, we are going to learn about advertisement and sales promotion. Acknowledgement. Sales promotion is the dissemination of information through a wide variety of activities other than personal selling, advertising, and publicity, which stimulate consumer purchasing and dealer effectiveness. Advertising. Advertisement is any paid form of non-personal presentation or promotion of ideas, goods, or services by an identified sponsor. It involves preparation of oral and visual messages through paid media for the purpose of making people aware. Types of advertisement: product advertising, institutional advertising, informative advertising, persuasive advertising, reminder advertising, concept advertising. Object of advertising: to introduce new products. Producers and the trader advertise to inform customer about the availability of new products and its silent features, to develop new image and demand of new products and persuade customer to buy it. To build brand preference. Repeated advertisements are used to develop preference of particular brand. Brand loyalty helps to yield repeat sales in the long run. It continues to remind people about the brand superiority. A brand image and consumers' loyalty are so created that the customer will not switch over another brand. Features of advertising. Attention value. An advertisement should have a capacity to attract the attention of the people towards it. An advertisement can be made by following techniques like using catchy headings, picture or drawings, slogans, asking questions, etc. Educational values. Advertising should aware consumer about the uses and the precautions of the product. It helps to increase the utility of that product to consumer. The manufacturer can also clarify any doubts in the mind of the consumer. Advantages to manufacture: create demand, provide economic of scale, helps maintain steady demand, help establish direct link between producer and the consumer, helps meet the competition. Advantages to consumers: make shopping easier, educate consumers, reduce price by increasing sales volume, wider choice. Advantages to society: generates employment, raise the standard of living, sustain the press, adds to art and culture, promotes healthy competition. Sales promotion. Sales promotion means short-term incentives of non-recurring nature used to stimulate consumer purchasing and dealer effectiveness. The main purpose of sales promotion is to obtain spot buying by offering non-recurring and non-routine incentives. Advantages of sales promotion. Sales support. Sales promotion provides a strong support to personal selling and advertising. It serves as a bridge between them. Best for new products. Sales promotion efforts are best suited for new products. Sales promotion provides access to a large market and personal contact with customer and dealers. Fast product acceptance. Sales promotion makes a product acceptable to consumer faster than any other techniques of promoting sales. Need for sales promotion activities has increased due to growing competition, proliferation of brands, trade pressure, and need for quick returns. Differentiate between sales promotion and the advertisement. Now we can conclude that advertising moves buyer towards the product while sales promotion moves product towards buyer. As advertising informs and persuades people to buy a product or services, such information and persuasion creates interest and desire. People visit shops to look at and buy the product and services. Whether they actually buy or not depends upon effectiveness of salesperson.